Thanks for joining me for this short scale study. Today, we're going to focus on building our tone and technique in the key of concert E-flat major. Let's get started by reviewing the names and the fingerings of the notes that we're going to need for concert E-flat major. To start, we're going to need our low F. How do you play a low F? Well, with our left hand, we're going to need our thumb and first three fingers. On our right hand, we're going to need our first three fingers and our pinky on the F key. Then we're going to lift that for G, lift our bottom finger for A, lift our second finger, which helps us get to the first finger B flat fingering, and then finally we're going to finish with the note C. Let's get started. Number 1, major 5s, quarter notes. I've got my metronome set at 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. Let's move on to number 2, where we're going to play those major 5s, but now as eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Moving on. Now, that series of tones that we just played, we're going to switch them around a bit and play them as the pattern of thirds. Keep in mind, the author and composer has given us a clear set of musical punctuation marks along the way. Do you see them? They're the breath marks. That means we need to play two full measures of music and then take our breath. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we'll do some tonguing with the expanding intervals drill. Make sure you've got a crisp, clear, and clean tonguing sound as you play on your bass clarinet. The eighth notes will give us a great chance to practice that tonguing technique. Here we go, number 4. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now, let's finish up by playing our last exercise together. Keep in mind, we will need to make sure that we're getting that low F tone out by using that low F fingering with the pinky. Also, keep a steady tempo by using a metronome, and then your best bass clarinet tone. 1, 2, last 1. Here we go. So there you go. It's concert E-flat major, and we've worked out and we've built our tone and our technique along the way. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you'll consider playing this study again really soon, and consider moving on to some of our other studies in this series. So I hope I'll see you again soon. Keep on practicing.